Oops, I sat there and copied that stuff up there, and then I forgot. The only other thing I wanted to add, I guess, I didn't feel like merging these videos. I was being lazy, so I'll just make another one. That stuff's working now, but the only problem is, let's say if I restart this real quick. So I'll restart Sly. Make sure I'm in the right one. I don't want to restart my other one. So I uncommented that just now. And if I go back up to that top window, and I try to run this, Control-C, Control-K, it's still telling me right here, lispbuilder-sdl does not designate any package. And I want to say, if I was running SBCL and I told it to load this file, or maybe if I even came over here, down here in Sly and told it to load the file, it might run these. But in SBCL, if I loaded it, it would. And I think it would down here in Sly. I didn't check that out yet, but it's telling me that it can't find this because Sly is not running these things with quickload. And I think usually someone's supposed to set this up correctly in ASDF, and you don't have to worry about this stuff. But I found this out a while ago, so if I could just use this right here, this isn't necessarily maybe an ugly way to do it, but this is someone else's code. I don't want to sit here and mess with it. Like, I don't even know how to do the ASDF stuff anyway, so if I say top level right here, and then close that, and put this down here, and then I'll just indent these guys over here, and go like this. Oops. And then now if I say, well, Control XO and Q out of that, and then Q out of this too, I guess. Oops. Control XO, Q out of that. So now if I'm over here, I can say Control-C, Control-K, and it wants me to save that file. And notice how it loaded that, and so it was able to load that. So it's something I meant to add in the other video. It's just a way, I guess, to force Sly whenever you compile it to load this, if all that stuff's not set up correctly, I guess. There might be a better way to do it, but that worked. And then I just want to say, too, because I thought about it, did I already close that, or is it over here? So if we go up one more, go into his standalone, and it wasn't working, but maybe if I grabbed this 16th file and then just read his README right here, I'll just make that bigger. And then you can see this is a way that you could run that. Maybe run it and make your own executable, and that's what I was trying to do in some of those videos. I was trying to get executable to run, and then he's got an example of how he built his executable. So I'm thinking maybe if I did this on that 16th file, then I might be able to have a standalone where I could just run the exe. But I don't know, maybe one day I'll try that out, but it's not a big deal. Really all I wanted to show. Oops, I thought that was Notepad. It's funny. Really all I wanted to show is what I already showed, is you can just throw this on here, and that way I can Control-CK it and Sly will load it. Ribbit!